Ang first impression ko, Miss Tin, pagdating sa party DJ, syempre yung wiki-wiki. At the same time, ang akala ko din, ang party DJ, yung nagsasalata, everybody put your hands in the air. Another thing, sino ba dapat ang nagda-download ng songs on the wedding day? Alam ko, ano na to, parang this has been,
Halimbawa, meron kami party DJ. Si host, bibigyan ko lang siya na hanggang until 8 p.m. lang tayo. We need to do after party. Kasi otherwise, magbabayad ang client ng 20,000 per hour. So, it works hand in hand. So, dapat lang well-coordinated. So, dapat talaga, smooth.
Currently here at Still Point Cafe located at San Pablo, Dinalupihan, Bataan. They are open every day from 1 in the afternoon. They offer a relaxing space perfect for family, friends, and even client meetings. If you're a coffee lover, you're in for a treat because they have coffee flavor you may have never even tried before. See you here at Still Point Cafe. Hello everyone, we are back for another episode. This is Weddings Unwrapped. My name is Mara.
My name is Christine.
And we will unfold event stories.
One podcast at a time.
So, again, we are still here at Still Point Cafe.
Yes. So, baka naman gusto mo tanongin bakit Still Point?
Yes, Miss Teen. Actually, we're wondering.
Okay.
Wondering talaga kami.
Okay.
Still Point?
Yung una kasi dapat pause cafe siya. Nung nagre-register na kami sa DTI, taken na siya.
So, hindi na pwede.
Naka-IP something, intellectual property. So, kasi, di ba, parang as planner kasi, parang gusto natin somehow na nakakapahinga tayo, may point of relaxation. So, parang this cafe is a Still Point Cafe. Meaning, kapag nandito ka is, we want you to relax, no? Think of something na different dun sa usual na ginagawa mo. So, parang ako, pag nandito ako, so, parang this is a different me. Nagtitimpla rin ako ng kape, naghuhugas ako. So, siya, iba sa usual na ginagawa ko, which, parang hindi ka ma-burn out.
Yes, I love it. Kasi you have other things to do, no? Aside from the planning, styling. Ako, ang favorite ko dito, share ko lang, ang medyo tumatak talaga sa akin is the tiramisu. Yun talaga yung isa sa mga favorite ko. So, order ako niyan. Ikaw, Miss Tin, ano yung favorite mo and highly recommended mo na drink dito?
Ako, yung salted peanut butter.
Uy, oo.
Sarap nun.
Hala, teka lang ako nga.
Sugar and spice. Yan, sarap. So, may dash of cinnamon yan. At saka yung tiramisu din. Kasi favorite ko rin yung tiramisu. At hindi mo pa natikman yung strawberries and cream.
Uy!
Masarap
Wait
yung
lang.
strawberries
Parang
and cream.
gusto ko rin yan. Actually, mahilig ako sa mga non-coffees. Non-coffee yun, yung strawberry and cream. Okay. So, yun ang mga dapat yung itry dito.
Yes.
Highly recommended namin. Tiramisu. And, actually, parang meron din kayong other, parang kakaiba na wala sa ibang, yun? Parang naalala ko na nag-tasting tayo. Ube?
Yeah, ube queso.
Ube queso, guys.
Ube queso.
Sa mga favorite ng ube at queso.
So,
They have it here. Hindi kasi lahat meron yan.
Yes, Tsaka yung salted peanut butter, pag tinikman mo, para mong iniinom mo yung Reese. Yung Reese na chocolate.
Yung Reese. Okay.
Para mo siyang iniinom. Ganun. Try nyo yan.
So, ang dami yung options dito. Hindi kayo maubusan every time you visit. You have something new to try.
Yes,
so, please check this out.
Okay.
So, for this episode naman, we will be talking about the technical part pagdating sa reception.
Yes, which is very important na madalas siyang natitake for granted or nami-miss ng mga couples, coordinators, and other events specialists.
So, parang minsan nakala nila, pag reception na, okay, we can just chill, relax. Tama naman, you have to chill and relax as a client. Pero on our end, syempre, we want to clear kung ano yung mga talagang details na kailangan nating i-consider para pagdating ng wedding day, yung expectations mo ay ma-meet namin.
Yes,
Okay,
tama.
let's begin, Miss Tin, sa light and sounds.
Okay, sa lights and sounds.
Okay.
So, ito yung mga common na questions ng mga clients sa akin na kapag every time na nagpaplano kami. So, do I need to get a DJ? a sound tech,
Mm-mm.
or a spinner.
Okay.
So, yan. So, tatlo yan.
At saka may isa pa, Miss Tin.
Ano pa?
Ano ang meron sa basic lights and
Yes,
sounds?
okay. Oo,
Okay.
yan. Tama yan. So, ako ang dinidiscuss sa kanila, iba-iba ang role ng DJ, sound tech, spinner, and hype man.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
na-
let's begin
ah. Kay Basic Lights and Sounds. Si Basic Lights and Sounds, usually, meron yung package na parang kung ilang lights lang ang ipaprovide niya and a basic sound system setup. So, meaning, kung ikaw ay magdadagdag na ng banda, depende sa type of band na idadagdag mo, you need to also upgrade the system.
So, hindi na yan kasama
Yes,
sa
sa
basic
basic.
lights
So,
and sounds.
So, yung basic lights and sounds is may basic setup ng lights, may basic setup ng sound system. So, kung ikaw ay mag-a-add ng banda, syempre, different system yung gagamitin, mag-a-upgrade.
Kasi ang explanation naman dyan, may mga instruments
Yes.
na idadagdag. So,
May
they have to...
instruments, may monitors,
Mm.
ganyan. So, kung halimbawa naman nag-add ka ng ceiling treatment, hindi rin pwede yung basic lights. So, kailangan mo rin mag-upgrade ng lights.
Yes,
no?
so as you upgrade your styling pala na Miss
Yes,
Tin,
i-upgrade mo din yung lights mo.
Okay,
Kasi
so-
buhay yun. Buhay yun.
Mm-mm. kasi ang basic lights and
Sorry.
sounds, ang kaya niya lang is yung basic setup din. So,
Moonlights,
oo.
ganun
So,
lang.
kapag medyo nagdagdag ka ng bisita, let's say, umabot ka
Yes.
na ng 300, hindi na pwede ang
Yes,
basic lights and
hindi na
sounds.
pwede.
Okay. So, if you want a clearer picture, pwede ka naman magtanong dun sa lights and sound supplier.
Pwede.
Ano po ba yung laman? Ilang speaker po ba yan? Ilang ilaw po ba yan?
Yes.
Ano po ba yung size ng venue na kaya niyang i-cover?
Yes.
So, that's basic lights and sounds.
So, meron din,
Sorry, Miss Tin, bago tayo mali sa basic lights and sounds, meron kasing mga nagbo-book and then sinasabi nila na meron na pong lights and sounds sa venue.
sa venue.
Na
oo.
inclusion.
Oo.
So, I had an experience before, meron na daw. Pagdating namin doon, meron naman speaker.
Oo.
And then we have to connect yung flash
Oh,
drive doon sa
okay.
speaker and someone has to
To operate
to
din.
operate the speaker in the next. So, okay po ba yun? Hindi.
Oo, hindi. Okay yun. Ako, sinasabi ko, kahit na basic lights and sounds, mag-hire na kayo from outside. Kahit na may ino-offer pa si venue. Kasi you have to understand, iba pa rin ang hired. No? Iba. Iba ang hired kasi mas high-end yung mga gamit nila. May technician. So, hindi mo po problemahin. So,
Yes.
yun. Oo.
And minsan, sa venue, kung meron sila, wala naman silang manpower to
Yes,
operate.
to
Kumbaga,
operate.
it's just there, pero you have to assign someone else.
Mm-mm.
Unless you're very confident with your venue, na
Ah.
talagang sobrang, maganda yung quality ng lights and
Meron
sounds nila.
meron kasing mga venue na kasama ang lights and sound sa kanila, pero hina-hire din nila sa labas, which is, that
Yes.
is okay.
Oo, okay lang yon kung
okay.
kasama siya sa package. Basta make sure lang na ano po ba to?
Hired,
Ano po
oo.
ba tong basic lights and sounds?
Yung iba kasi, basic lang nila is basic PA system.
Ayun, oo.
Yes.
So, kapag basic PA system lang, huwag tayo masyado mag-expect unless ang guest mo lang ay 10, 15, ganyan.
Oo.
Okay lang yun.
Parang
kung
seminar type, yan,
Mm-mm.
ganyan.
Pero
Kasi
kung-
minsan, ang mga microphone, wired pa.
Yes,
Ang hirap.
ayaw mo naman ng wired na microphone on your event. Unless nga, 10 lang kayo, okay na siguro yan.
Totoo.
So, yun. So, we
yan.
have covered lights and sounds sa basic. And now, next naman,
Okay, common question is, do I need to hire a DJ? So ako, ang tinatanong ko lagi sa client, anong DJ ang sinasabi mo ba or ina-ask mo? Like, is it a party DJ or someone who will play the music or the background music? Sasabihin nila sa akin, ay, hindi po party DJ, pang ano lang, background music. So okay, we call it sound tech.
sound
Sound
Yes.
tech. No? So, kung magpe-play lang during the reception, halimbawa, habang nagsasalita si Mara, meron si Big
Background.
papasok na, okay, first dance, entrances, o sila yung magpe-play. No? Sila yung
Yes.
magpe-play.
Kaya yun ng
Kaya
ating
yun ng
mga sound tech.
Usually kasama sila sa binabayaran ninyo sa basic
Lights
lights
and
and
sounds.
sounds.
Yes,
Yan.
kasama naman. Pero, if you have heard the term spinner naman,
Yes, spinner.
it's different.
Ah.
So, pagdating naman sa sinasabi nating spinner, usually it's a tie-up with the host.
Yes.
So, tandem sila.
Mm-mm.
So, kung ano yung flow ng host, yun din yung parang susundan na flow ng spinner. And syempre, iba din yung quality ng
Yes.
service kapag may spinner.
Spinner. Actually, it's, sa nakikita ko, para kang nag-upgrade
Mm-mm.
ng wedding program mo, no? Kapag ka meron kang, may spinner si host.
Pag may spinner si
Pag may
host.
spinner si host, even kaming mga coordinators, hindi kami nahihirapan pag may spinner si host. Bakit? Hindi mo babantayan. Hindi mo babantayan si spinner. Kasi siya ay magfo-focus ng todo-todo sa program. Kay host.
Kasi yun lang ang ano niya.
Yun ang
Yun
trabaho
ang main
niya.
task niya.
Yes.
Kasi kapag sound tech ka, ikaw din yung sa wiring
Yes,
ng everything.
yun.
Ikaw ang ilaw.
Yun nga. Yun. So, pagka may spinner si host, so si spinner na yung in charge with all the necessary music na ipapasa lang niya ni host and everything. So, kung magkakaroon naman ng mga glitch sa sounds, si sound tech.
Si sound tech.
Siya na may papasok si tech. Ayusin ko tong mic, walang battery ba? Yung mga ganun. Na?
So, yun ang
ganun.
difference nila.
Yun ang difference
Pero
nila.
Miss Tin, I have to admit ha, ang daming sound tech na ang lakas maka-spinner level na rin ng skill. So, ako personally, wala akong spinner. I've been planning to get one, pero sobrang gagaling kasi talaga ng mga sound tech natin here in Subic Bay. So, parang sometimes I feel like I don't need kasi parang gamay na din nila because we've been working with them for many times. So, salute sa lahat ng mga ano talaga.
At saka kasi kapag advantage yun, pag lagi nila nakaka-work yung host, no?
Alam na nila yung flow.
Alam na nila.
yung flow.
Kahit nakapikit nga sila, alam nila yung gagawin mo.
Alam na nila yung next. Parang pwede na lang kamang palitan.
Parang, ay, teka, sasayaw na si Mara, wait.
Pero yeah, yun naman yung advantage. When you hire someone na magkakakilala, always works together, ayan.
Mas mabilis, no? So, another thing is, ano naman yung DJ? So, yung party DJ. So, party DJ naman, usually, dumarating yan pag bago na matapos yung reception, yung program.
Ang first impression ko, Miss Tin, pagdating sa party DJ, syempre yung wiki-wiki. At the same time, ang akala ko din, ang party DJ, yung nagsasalata, everybody put your hands in the air.
Hindi.
Akala ko yun ang party DJ. And yan din yung common misinterpretation talaga ng mga clients. So, they're expecting na kapag may DJ, may nagsasalita din
may
siya.
mag-hype.
But,
different.
Ang tawag doon ay
Hype man.
Hype man.
So, kapag kukuha kayo ng party DJ, you have to get also a hype man. Otherwise, parang kulang.
Parang kulang.
Parang kulang. Parang kulang. Parang kung si host, wala siyang spinner, tapos nagkaroon siya ng spinner, it's an upgrade. So, kung si DJ is wala siyang hype man, tapos nagkaroon siya ng hype man, it's an upgrade. Na-upgrade siya. So, just imagine, may nagha-hype dun sa party. So, mas magiging lively. At saka feeling ko, mas sulit yung binabayad mo sa DJ kung may nag-hype man.
Yes, parang they complement each other kasi. They're both good on their own, pero if you put them together, parang ma-achieve mo, especially if you are the type of client na gusto ng after party, ma-achieve mo yun when you have both. When you have a DJ and a hype man. Alam mo, dito ko lang din natutunan yan sa events, Miss Tina. Parang, alam, may hype man pala.
Meron.
So, you can ask, kunyari, you're hiring a DJ, ask mo din sila if you know someone na hype man or meron ka bang pwedeng maging hype man kasi they know each other.
Yes, tama. At saka you also have to consider, pag meron kang party DJ, you need to coordinate with the host. Kasi dapat naman, host and venue. So, for example, the venue is only for 4 hours. No? So, kailangan, i-limit nyo yung program nyo to have room for party, for after party. Nangyayari kasi madalas, sumahaba ng sobra yung program, pagdating ni DJ, 15 minutes na lang, ayan na, nagalit na si client kay venue kasi hindi siya mapagbigyan. Wherein, talagang yun ang role ni venue. No? Or otherwise, you pay for the extra hour. So, what I do, pagka ganyan, halimbawa, meron kaming party DJ, si host, bibigyan ko lang siya na hanggang until 8 p.m. lang tayo, we need to do after party. Kasi otherwise, magbabayad ang client na 20,000 per hour. Ganun. So, ganun yung ginagawa namin. No? So, it works hand in hand. So, dapat lang well-coordinated kapag meron kang spinner, pag meron kang host, meron kang hype man, meron kang DJ. So, dapat talaga, smooth yung ano.
Tsaka as a client, prioritize mo na lang kung ano mas gusto mo. Kung
Oo.
mas gusto mag-focus sa after party,
Oo.
i-shorten mo yung program.
Yes,
Kung gusto
oo.
mo naman more on the program, hingi ka lang ng package ng DJ na for 2 hours lang or for an hour, ganyan.
Oo. At saka, wag natin din ma-mistake na si DJ ay darating ng pag-start ng reception.
Yes, kasi
Siya darating.
usually ang DJ, dadating lang yan during dinner time,
Oo,
no?
ganun. Para
Dinner
mag-set
time.
up.
Oo, enough time na yan for the DJ to set up. Pero let's not expect naman na parang andun,
Oo.
asa na yung DJ na? Alam mo na, maaga pa. No? Kasi
Totoo.
syempre, ang tagal din ng waiting hours niya.
Totoo.
And babayaran mo din yun if you want
Yes,
the
oo.
DJ to wait, di ba?
Tama. At saka hindi rin naman mura ang DJ, no?
True. So, tama ka, Miss Lee. Kung gusto mo i-maximize yung DJ na
Yes,
hinire mo, you have to complement it with a hype man.
Ah,
Okay. Another thing. Sino ba dapat ang nagda-download ng songs
Ano
on
ba
the wedding
yan?
day? Alam ko, ano na to, parang this has been, solved. Ako on my end,
yes.
as a host, lagi na ako nagda-download talaga. Kasi ang dami ko na ding na-encounter na nagtuturoan, hala, hindi mo
Yes.
na-download. Hala, walang binigay yung client. Hala, wala ding copy si coordinator.
Ako isang ginagawa ko is I ask for links sa couple. Meron kaming sheet. O sige, diyan yung ilagay, i-paste lahat ng links. Then we download.
Para may backup copy.
May backup
agad.
ako. At the same time, nagbibigay din ako sa lights and sound supplier natin ng mga links. So, i-download nyo rin.
I-download niya. Oo.
Download nyo
Mas
rin.
maganda kasi na meron lahat backup
Backup.
copy.
Kasi minsan, dumarating talaga yung time na wala talaga internet sa venue, di ba? Tapos hindi mo na ma-download. Tapos, ayan na, nagkagulo-gulo na sa music. So, it's better na meron kami as coordinator. Sobrang love namin pag meron si host.
Kasi
Tapos-
parang kami lang din yung mai-stress kapag walang songs.
Yes.
So
oo.
parang ako, personally, I try to download. And there are naman mga sound tech, Miss Tin, na talagang sila din mismo nagda-download. Hinihingi na lang yung
Yes.
program ahead of time.
Oo.
Pero kasi I also encounter sound tech na talagang they're
Wala.
very firm na sound tech lang kami. You have to provide us the songs.
Meron
Unless you hire us na mag-download ng songs ninyo.
Ah,
And there are also clients na nagda-download din
Ah,
sa
meron
nilang
din,
songs
ah.
because they wanna make sure na smooth na on the day.
What's your take naman about Spotify playlist?
Okay. Spotify playlist, actually, mahirap nga siya kasi i-access kapag walang internet, pero it's downloadable. Pag nagbigay ng Spotify playlist ang client, I still download kahit na mga 128 songs pa yan, I download. Pero
So,
it is okay.
nailalagay din siya dun sa system ni Soundtech.
Yes, kasi you will download it as MP3 pa din eh.
Okay.
Pwede mo pa din siyang i-save offline. Kasi ako never rely talaga sa internet ng
Yes,
venue
oo,
eh. Kasi
tama. Kasi there was a time na Spotify playlist ang binigay sa amin. So, sabi ni Soundtech, hindi niya maipasok dun sa system nila. So, through phone. So, yun, nagkaroon kami ng problem with that. So,
okay.
from then on, ang hinihingi ko na kay client is mga YouTube, mga MP3
YouTube links na
YouTube
lang.
links,
Okay. Para mas madali. Okay.
So, easy for everyone.
Yeah, easy for everyone. So, yun, pagdating sa technical part, sa reception, there are really things that you have to consider. So,
Tama.
I hope this episode helps you.
Oo nga, no? Para at least, no, yung mga couple, I think, sa simple way na brought up namin with this podcast is natutulungan namin kayo on ano yung mga simple. Like, for example, hindi yun naman alam yung mga technicalities, no? Unless you heard it to someone else. That may help you.
Yes, and if you are also a co-supplier of us, if you have other suggestions para matulungan natin yung mga clients natin,
Yes.
let us know in the comment section below.
Yes po.
Well, thank you, Christine.
Thank you.
See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.